Hello, hello, my dear friends. My name is Shamir Roy, and welcome to Programming Tube. So today I'll be showing you a simple program which you can write to do some processing. Like first of all, I'm gonna create a Python file like this. Then I'm gonna name it as calculation, and make sure to provide the extension as py. Now let's say, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take two inputs, and based on those two inputs I'm gonna do some processing, and then I'll be showing the outputs to the user screen. So here is this. I'm gonna do this by a function. So this is a user defined function. I'm gonna take two arguments. So as you can see, I'm programming the functions. So I have programmed the four functions. So those four functions are simply addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take two numbers as inputs from the user. So let's say I'm gonna take float number. So my data type is float. Now I'm gonna take inputs. Let's say input any number. Okay, so this is my number one, and this is gonna be my number two, and I'm taking inputs of the second number. So as you can see, I have taken inputs of those two numbers. Now I'm gonna do some processing, and I'm gonna print the result. So how do I do that? I'm gonna do is using a function which is known as print function. So this is a function which is used to show some output to the user. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show the output. Now I'm gonna call the addition function here. So this will return me the sum of a and b. So I'm gonna send the n and n2 as the arguments. So like this will show me the sum of a and b. Now I'm gonna copy this function. I'm gonna copy this line and paste it three times. Now I'm gonna do some changes to this like this. So as you can see, I am done with it. So now I'm gonna run this I'm gonna run the program right now like this. So this is telling me to input a number. Let's say I'm giving 10.5 as the input. Let's say giving 15.5 as the second input. Yeah, so that's how I get the result. So as you can see, these are the result that I have got. So this is a simple program which you can write. So it's like a Python program which you can write to process some numbers. Like you can do the addition, you can do the subtraction, multiplication, and the division, and you can do a lot of more stuffs like this. So I'll be uploading more videos in my upcoming videos. So right now, if you have any questions or query, just let me know in the comment section. And I hope you have liked my video. So if you like my video, do not forget to give a thumbs up. And if you think that this has been a bit useful to you, please make sure to subscribe. And thank you.